Learn English daily.
Hey, Emily, have you thought about our picnic this weekend?
Oh yeah, I've been thinking about it. I can't wait.
Me neither. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny and warm.
Perfect. We can have a nice outdoor lunch. I'm thinking sandwiches and fruit.
Sounds delicious. I'll make sure to bring my famous homemade lemonade.
That's a great idea. It's always so refreshing. And I'll bake some cookies for dessert.
Yum! I'm looking forward to those. By the way, do you think we should invite anyone else?
I was thinking we could ask Mike and Sarah. I'm sure they'd love to join us.
Good thinking. I'll reach out to them later today and see if they're available.
Awesome. I'll also bring a frisbee and a soccer ball. We can play some games after we eat.
Sounds like a lot of fun. And I'll bring a blanket for us to sit on.
Perfect. It's going to be such a relaxing day. I can already picture it.
Agreed. And we'll definitely need to remember to bring some sunscreen.
Absolutely. Don't want to get sunburned. I'll put that on the checklist.
Speaking of the checklist, let's make sure we have enough plates, cups, and utensils.
No problem. I'll make a list of all the things we need to bring for the picnic.
Thanks, Emily. You're so organized. I appreciate it.
No problem at all. It's going to be a memorable picnic.
Definitely. And I heard there's a nice trail nearby. Maybe we can go for a short hike.
Oh, that sounds lovely. We can enjoy nature and take some photos too.
Great idea. I'll make sure to bring my camera along.
I'm really looking forward to this. It's been a while since we've had a picnic.
Same here. It's going to be a nice break from our busy routines.
And it'll give us a chance to relax and catch up with each other.
Absolutely. It's going to be a fantastic day. I can't wait to hang out.
Me neither, Alex. Thanks for organizing this picnic.
Of course, Emily. It's going to be a blast. I'll text Mike and Sarah now.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make this picnic one for the books.
Hey Mark, have you thought about what movie we should watch tomorrow?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it. How about that new action movie that just came out?
Oh, you mean The Guardian? I've heard good things about it. Sure. That sounds like a great choice.
Awesome. I'll make some popcorn, and we can settle in for a movie marathon.
Sounds like a plan. And don't forget to grab some candy too. I have a sweet tooth.
Definitely. I'll grab a variety of candies from the store tomorrow.
Perfect. And speaking of tomorrow, what time should we start the movie night?
I was thinking around 7 p.m. That way, we can have dinner and then relax with the movies.
Sounds good to me. I'll order some pizza for dinner.
Great idea. Pizza and movies, the perfect combination.
Absolutely. By the way, have you invited anyone else to join us?
Yeah, I texted Alex and Emily. They said they'd love to come over for the movie night.
Awesome. It'll be fun to have some company. I'll make sure to have enough seating ready.
Speaking of seating, let's make sure we have enough cozy blankets and pillows.
Good call. I'll grab some extra blankets from the closet.
Thanks, Sarah. You're always so thoughtful.
No problem at all. I want everyone to be comfortable.
And I'll set up the projector so we can have a big screen experience.
Perfect. It's going to feel like a mini home theatre.
I'm really looking forward to it. It's been a while since we had a movie night.
I agree. It's going to be a relaxing way to spend the evening.
And it's a great way to unwind after a busy week.
Definitely. Plus, we'll have some good laughs and maybe even a few scares.
True, movie nights are always full of surprises.
I can't wait to see everyone's reactions to the twists in the plot.
Me neither. It's going to be a blast.
Thanks for organising this, Mark. It's going to be a fun night.
Of course, Sarah. Anything for a fun movie night with friends.
Well, I better start making that movie night playlist.
And I'll get the living room set up for our movie marathon.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make tomorrow's movie night one to remember.